Hey guys, welcome to an all-new episode of Conflicts. Today I'm excited to show you a brand new RC car sent by Nikko. Now, this particular RC car resembles a Porsche 911 GT3. So it's actually a race-inspired RC car, which should be pretty cool to see. Not to mention, from the cover itself, it looks really detailed. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing and see what it's all about. Alright, so this here's our box, and in the cover itself you do see the car, and you do see a steering wheel on the side as well. It's got that Red Bull theme on it. It's a 2.4 gigahertz frequency, and you can play up to 10 racers at a time. So you can actually have the full function over it, so you can move it in any direction you want, from forward, back, left, and right. Then it is a 1/16 scale, so it's actually a fairly large car. Now on the back here, it kind of shows it in a little bit more details. So it does show the car itself kind of driving here, and then on the bottom shows all the different cars that they make as well, from a Ford Fiesta all the way down to, it looks like a Chevrolet car as well. So very interesting. I definitely think the Porsche is probably one of my favorite cars here, so I'm excited to go ahead and open this up, especially since I'm a big fan of these kind of cars. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what's on the inside. And there we go. Alright, so we have an instruction manual here, kind of explaining how to go ahead and set this up. Do note that the controller itself takes 3 AAA batteries, while the car takes 4 AA batteries. So let's go ahead and take this out. So this here is a remote itself, in which is a very traditional RC car style remote. So you got the throttle right over here, and then you got the steering over here as well. So a very simple design in which the batteries go back here. So let's go ahead and take this car out and see what this looks like. So you just go ahead and slide these over, and then the car should just pop out. Alright, so check this out. I mean, it looks really cool. I love the details on this thing, especially the color combination with the Red Bull on the side. And you got like a watch over here as well. That's the Richard Mille watch, and it says PlayStation on the top. And then you can see the headlights as well too. And it's got a nice big spoiler on the back as well. Now besides that, it's just a typical RC car in which it just kind of drives around. The tires are made of a, looks like a hard plastic compound. So it should be quite fun to drive, and hopefully this thing does slide quite well. So let's go ahead and turn this on. Alright, so in terms of controls go, it's quite straightforward. So if I just go ahead and push the throttle back, it'll go back. If I push it forward, it'll go forward. And then in terms of steering goes, you just go ahead and rotate it just like that. And yeah, it's quite responsive. So you do get a good amount of play with it. Alright, so overall in controls, it's quite simple. Literally the way you control it, it just kind of slides around and actually makes it very easy to maneuver, as you can probably already notice. I love how it kind of tail swings itself, but overall, I mean, it's a great RC car nonetheless. The only downside is the lack of power and the fact that it's just kind of repetitive in terms of the way it controls. So there's not much other than just the little tail whip. But yeah, I mean, it's a very simple RC car. I wish it had more lights, and I wish the quality of the controller itself was a little bit more heavier. I love the details on the graphics, as well as the headlights and taillights and the way it looks. I kind of wish they had real like plastic glass windows rather than just a piece of black tinted glass. But yeah, overall a great RC car nonetheless. Definitely a lot of fun, and makes a great like a model car worthy. And yeah, there you guys have it. Now if you guys had any questions about the Porsche, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, thank you again for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye bye.